idiomatic expression, and slangs. An idiomatic expression or idiom is a common word or phrase with a culturally understood meaning. An expression has a specific meaning. A slang. A slang is a type of language consisting of words or phrases that are regarded as informal. The slangs are more common in speech than writing. People use the slangs more in speaking. In this video, we're gonna teach you some common useful slangs and idiomatic expressions with the meanings, because we aim to let you speak English better, faster, and easier. Remember to subscribe with this channel to still get notified when we post our video every week. Please leave a like, and we won't forget to tell you welcome if you just found out this channel. Do it right now. Subscribe, share, and like. Pretty please. Let's start with the idiomatic expressions. Break a leg. Break a leg means good luck. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket is an expression that means die. Sick as a dog. It means extremely ill. On cloud 9 is extremely happy. Get the picture. To get the picture means understand what's happening. Behind the times. Behind the times mean old fashioned. Time is money. The meaning is time is valuable, so don't waste it. Out of work. Signification is unemployed. All is listening willingly. Lion hearted. It means of great courage. Smell a rat. To smell a rat means suspect something wrong. Keep eyes on. Take care of the meanings, or watch in order to protect. Take it easy. It means relax or rest. Hit the sack. The signification is that go to bed. To go bananas. To get angry or to go mad. Signification. Babe in the woods. It means an innocent person. Top banana. It means the boss or the leader. Big cheese. An important person in a company or organization. Good egg. The signification is good person. When pig fly, it is never. Your number is up. We say your number is up. You're going to die. Now the slang. Remember? A slang is a type of language consisting of words or phrases that are regarded as informal. Let's see some slangs together. Goat. Goat is a slang, and it means that greatest of all time. Dude. Dude means guy. Bro. Bestie. It means best friend. For real. It means to ask someone whether is joking or not. Cause is that because the meanings. More in speaking they use it. Wanna is that want to. Alright. The meaning is that everything is fine. Ratcha is that what are you? What are you? Kinda is kind of the signification. Chill is that relax. Out of, it means out of. Gimme, it is give me. As up, it is as soon as possible. I hope you understand. I hope you learned something from this video in order to help you speak English with, in order to help you organize your ability in speaking English. And please remember to subscribe for more videos. English with JL. Thanks for watching.